they would never know that it's not designer. Who gonna check me, boo? This one is for my handbag enthusiasts, so keep watching.
Reach me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green.
Guys, I'm so excited for today's video. This really taps into one of my other passions. As many of you know, I primarily discuss fragrances here on my channel. Once upon a time, back in the day, I used to share and review high-end and contemporary luxury goods, specifically handbags. I love a good bag, child. So I was super excited when a company called Handbag reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to review one of their handbags. And after I checked out everything they had to offer, I couldn't say no. And we're about to get into the one that they sent me over to review right now. Y'all are about to gag when y'all see this bag. If y'all know me, what y'all think it is? Well, y'all probably already know because it might be in the title of this video. But anyways, you can still drop down your comment. So guys, the bag came in all of its luxurious packaging. And I'm going to show you a little bit of it right now. But I will have an official unboxing here on my channel for you guys to check out as well. But let's get into it. So guys, we got something inspired, okay? So guys, the box is given very structured and cute. It's magnetic, so it's easier for you to pull your items out. It does have some additional wrapping paper, a receipt, some information inside, but we're gonna get into that a little bit later. Let's get into what you came for, honey. Let me take it out of the dust bag. Ooh, y'all know what it is. Y'all know what it is. Baby, look at this stunner. I had to have her. Y'all, a handbag has not caught my eye in a very long time until I saw the Chanel Mini 25. When I saw that bag, all my senses almost went out the window. I immediately fell in love. So when I saw that babblabag.co, which is the official website, had an inspired version of that bag, I said, bring it here. Absolutely, I need that. And we all know that the other bag is a couple $1,000s. I think it retails for about $6,000 plus right now. Now, I've been known to drop a few thousand on a bag, baby, like it's nothing. But right now, in this economy, no. We got to do some smart purchasing. We got to save a little coin. Plus, my motto for all of 2026 has been try before you buy. And that not only applies to fragrances, that applies to any items that are considered in the luxury category that you are really going to have to invest in. So what a great way to try out a similar style bag to shop with babblabag.co for a fraction of the cost. So let's get more into the specs of this bag, hunty. So of course we see the bag is black and it has the gold hardware. It has the rope chain detailing shoulder width and it sits right at the top of your waist. So in the front it has, of course, the gold hardware and it has a drawstring closure. So what you'll do is to close the bag, and I have some paper inside of it that came with it. Let me take that out. Yes, so to simply close it or to draw it in a little bit tighter, you will pull on the drawstring and it will start to collapse in. And to loosen it, you would simply press on the clasp and, you know, stretch it out so that you can open the bag a little bit wider. So that's the front of the bag. And here is the back of the bag. And then on the sides of the bag, it has two magnetic pockets. They are so freaking cute, okay? You could probably fit, I don't know, some cards, some credit cards. or some lipstick, or just like your key fob or something like that. And they are magnetic, so you get one on each side. Love that. And here's the magnetic closure. Pull up so you can see that. Beautiful. So here is the inside of the bag. It's basically a black hole, okay? You have some branding here on the inside, a gold plate. So I'm not sure how well you guys are going to be able to see it, but there is a slip pocket in the back, has the branding, and you can pretty much slip a little credit card, you know, some little lip gloss right there. But outside of that, that's pretty much, you get one large compartment, one little slip pocket, and then you have your two magnetic side pockets on each side of the bag. Hold on for more, because I got something a little special for y'all. I'm going to give y'all some more details, but let's just get into the rest of the bag. So guys, this is grain calf skin, okay? Very durable material. So you do not have to babysit her, which I love that, because right now in my life, I ain't got time, okay? I need to be able to throw and go. Throw and go. And it does come in multiple different sizes. Of course, this is the mini size of that style. So yes, here is what the bag looks like. How gorgeous, okay? I think this is the perfect mix between trendy and classique. This is about to be my everyday go-to handbag. And I'm getting the look for less. Please, girlfriend. And they would never know that it's not designer. Plus, who won't check me, boo? Back in the day, you guys, before this economy was so messed up, I would never even wear or consider an inspired version of a handbag. I would just save up my little coins. But like I said, we have to do something called smart purchasing right now, where this economy is, and knowing how much the actual bag retails for, this is just the perfect way to try before you buy, before you make such a large commitment and investment. I would probably still use this one on a daily basis, even if I got the Chanel number 25, and just switch out when I'm ready to pop out. You know the vibes. So unless someone really knows their stuff, they won't even know that you're walking around with an inspired version. And like I said, who gonna check me, boo? So this one is for all of my handbag enthusiasts, honey. Let me go ahead and put y'all onto the rest of the details real quick. So BabalaBag.co, they have all the luxury coded, inspired designer handbags at a fraction of the cost. Plus, I have a special discount code down in the description box so you can save a little bit more coin. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Otherwise, check out more details in my description box. Child, they saving the economy with this one, okay? But child, I got places to go and people to see. So I'm about to step out in my brand new Chanelica, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Y'all hear my phone ringing. I gotta go. Ooh, let me know if y'all want a what's in my bag.
Call my phone and say you need me, baby. I'm so green, you gotta teach me, baby. From Vancouver, you a BC, baby.
Nobody will know that this is not designer.